Hello? Look, I've told you I don't want any drugs.
Hi, RC Addict here. So, remember this. Thoughts provokes feelings, provokes an action. Okay? So, when you think something, your brain instantly makes you feel, and then you act on that feeling. So, at the moment, it's 2 in the morning. I can't sleep. Um, I can't sedate myself anymore. I don't do that. Um, so what you've got to think of is cognitive behavior, yeah, which I've learned. And thoughts provokes feelings, provokes actions. So what does it mean? Quite simply, I'm thinking at the moment, I'd love to go out and fly in my drone, but I can't. I'm afraid of leaving the house. It's 2 in the morning. It's I might get robbed or something, or I might lose my keys. It's freezing cold and I can't get back in. All this. Anyway, blah 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 blah, and it goes on. I catastrophize. Yeah, I make things worse. So that instantly makes me feel inadequate. I feel a bit angry. I feel my self belief goes. Um, my self esteem goes, and then the action is I stay in. I watch the same TV that I watched loads of times, and I I just go around in circles and I get worse. My depression sinks and sinks and sinks and sinks and sinks. And that can lead to me to bad things. And I don't want that anymore. So thoughts provokes feelings. Right. Now, if you change, this is simple. If you change the word I can't to I can, yeah, it changes everything. And you can, just because I fly drones, FPV drones, yeah, and um, you know, um, again, I'm obsessed with that because I'm an addict. Um, you know, so let's try it again. Right, I know I want to fly my drone. I know I can fly in the dark. I've made videos on it. There's no one out there at this time. It's bloody freezing. But I know I've gone out in the cold before. I've made videos. So what that does is inside your self-belief and your feeling, so your feelings, yeah, change to I'm actually worth it. Um, you feel more confident, a bit of confidence, um, a bit happier. The depression goes, and and the action is I I actually I actually do it. I go I go out and fly my drone, make a video, and afterwards I'm buzzing. It's like I've recharged my batteries. It's like an addict or something going to an NA meeting, you know, don't look into the fact that it's an NA meeting or AA meeting. It's the same thing, yeah. And don't look into the fact that it's blah 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 about God and all this crap. Just think of it as it recharges your batteries because you see friends, like-minded people. But anyway, thoughts provoke feelings, provokes an action. So change I can't till I can. Yeah, try it. Simple, but it's bloody hard to do. Take care. All right. See ya. Bye bye.